Model, 2002 Peugeot Boxer 320 LWB 2.5 diesel camper motorhome needs attention repair. Body, white, motorhome. Mileage, 3,534. MOT, the 11th of December 2025. Engine, 2446 CCL2VX AFGP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts with a jump start. Runs great. Brakes are stiff. Brake vacuum pump needs replacing. Engine and running gear are fantastic, super low mileage. Not sure if this is genuine. Can't see any discrepancies, so make your own reminder. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Features, 2 keys, fully fitted camper, bed, fridge, hob, inverter, sink, wind-up windows. Euro status, Euro 3.